Hi, this is Jana. Welcome to my kitchen. It is fall, it's football season, and everybody wants to have something good to take or to bring or to make for everybody to come over. I have small flour tortillas. I have large flour tortillas because that's what was in my pantry. And the large flour tortillas, I cut them into strips, which is perfect for dip. And then the small tortillas, I just cut them in half and cut them in half again, and then I have the wedges. But I will say, all you have to do is have some peanut oil or vegetable oil heated to, or beef tallow, heated to 350 to 375, and you're gonna put them into the oil. And then when we take them out, we're gonna sprinkle them with popcorn salt. You can use the butter flavor or whatever you want. And I call these, everybody calls these, what do they call them, Erin?
Her homemade crack chips.
My homemade crack chips. I've made these, let's see, our youngest is 34.
We were young.
Yeah, I've made these for probably, let's see, 33, 34
Long
years.
time.
Yeah, long time. And so anyway, so you just put them in here and you get them, you see them start to bubble up. That's a sign to start flipping them over. When they start bubbling, and they're going to continue to cook after you turn them. This is so fast and so simple.
Very good.
And I know the Mission ones really, really puff up a lot. So just use whatever you have, okay? This is a great way to use those stale ones too, okay? And so we're almost there. You can flip them more than once too, but what we're looking for is a little bit of a golden edge on them.
Golden hue to them.
Yeah, and I like even some darker brown, like this one's gonna turn a little bit darker brown. Right there, that's really very flavorful. Just keep playing with them. See the bubbles? You'll see when they're done. Oh my gosh, and you'll taste them. And this is something you have in your house. Great snack, after school snack for your kids. They're good leftover too, aren't they, Erin?
Just like, take a couple out of the bag and put them in a paper towel and just eat on the go.
Yep, that's, our kids grew up eating them as a snack. These are one of the first things to go, like if you have people over for a tailgate or, watching a game or card night, whatever. I don't know, does anybody play cards anymore? I miss that. We had such a good time. And so as soon as I get these out, here, and I'm gonna have you zoom in over here. I'm trying to keep my arm out of the way. I've got them drained. You can drain them on paper towels. If you don't have a rack, that's fine. And then I have, it's okay, I have movie theater, I have popcorn topping, or just plain old popcorn salt. That's all you need, okay? And then I lightly sprinkle. See, real light, because remember you got your dips and things that are probably already highly seasoned. And so I'm going to keep making these, and we'll come back when they cool off a little bit. You can see how crispy they are. Okay, we're back. I'm just finishing up my chips, and you can see we've got all the strip ones and the triangle ones. Pulling the last ones out, and you're going to see what I mean. Whatever you think your family is going to like, make twice as many, because
They are addicting.
that's why we call them
Crack chips.
crack chips. There you go. And make some light ones for the people who like light, but which
You'll
ones
see what we're talking about when you make them a little bit more crispier. You'll be hooked, and they're just delicious.
and everybody goes for them, and you can't just eat one, I can tell you that right now.
Like, we've had friends over the years ask for them, and she's had to make them. So.
Yes. All right, so now those are done, and I'm telling you what, we're gonna have Erin try one here.
I'm taking one of the darker ones, and
Can you hear the crisp?
can you hear it?
Well, we've got those noise canceling headphones, so
Microphones.
sometimes microphones, so you can't always tell. But here is. Maybe you can hear mine, but anyway, they're delicious. Now keep tuned in because I've got 2 dips I'm making today. I'm doing a hot Mexican layered dip, and I'm making a queso that is real fresh and it's just delicious. So go look for those on my channel as well. Thank you for stopping by Jana's Kitchen, and go make you some cracked chips.